Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English with David and Lilly. It's great to have you here. Thank you for listening, thank you for learning, and thank you for joining us today.
Hi, friends. I'm Lily. We are happy you are here with us. Today's topic is useful for your real everyday life. We will talk about English for online shopping, something we all do today.
That's right. We buy clothes online, we buy food online, we buy tickets online, we even buy coffee cups online. So we want to help you talk about shopping in clear, simple English.
This podcast is for A1 to A2 English learners, so don't worry. We will go slowly. We will repeat. We will explain everything in simple English.
Before we start, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the podcast. When you subscribe, you get all new episodes. And when you share, you help more people learn English. Thank you for your support.
All right, let's begin. Today's topic, English in daily life, online shopping. We will teach you important phrases, useful vocabulary, and we will also practice speaking together.
Sit back, relax, or maybe take a walk while listening. Let's learn step by step. Music fades out.
Let's start with some basic vocabulary for online shopping. First, we will say the words. Then we will talk about them. Then we will listen again to repeat.
Just listen first. Online store. Search bar. Add to cart. Check out. Payment. Delivery. Address. Order number. Customer service. Return. Refund.
Now, let's talk about what these words mean. I will explain, and David will give examples. Online store, a shop on the internet.
David, for example, Amazon is an online store.
Search bar, the small box where you type what you want.
David, I write blue t-shirt in the search bar.
Add to cart. You want to buy the item, so you put it in your virtual cart.
David, I add 3 items to my cart.
Check out, the final step when you pay.
David, I go to checkout and enter my information.
Payment, giving money by card, cash on delivery, or online wallets.
David, my payment is with a credit card.
Delivery, bring the product to your home.
David, delivery takes 3 days.
Address, your home or office location.
David, I write my delivery address.
Order number, a special number for your order.
David, my order number is 5522F.
Customer service, the people who help you.
David, I call customer service when there is a problem.
Return, refund. Return means send the item back. Refund means get your money back.
David, this shirt is too big. I want to return it.
Now repeat after us.
David, online store.
Search bar.
Add to cart.
Checkout.
Payment.
Delivery.
Address.
Order number.
Customer service.
Return, refund.
Good job.
Now listen to some useful phrases. I am looking for. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? How much is the delivery fee? Can I pay with a card? When will my order arrive? I want to return this item. I want a refund, please. The item is damaged. My order is late.
David, let's explain these with examples.
I am looking for.
Lily, I am looking for a blue backpack.
Do you have this in another size?
David, do you have this in size medium?
Do you have this in another color?
Lily, do you have this in blue?
How much is the delivery fee to my city?
David, how much is the delivery fee to my city?
Can I pay with a card?
Lily, Can I pay with a debit card?
When will my order arrive?
David, when will my order arrive? I need it soon.
I want to return this item.
Lily, I want to return this item. It is too small.
I want a refund, please.
David, I want a refund, please. The product is not working.
The item is damaged. I need help.
Lily, the item is damaged. I need help.
My order is late.
David, my order is late. Where is it?
Now repeat with us.
David, I am looking for.
Lily, do you have this in another size?
David, do you have this in another color?
Lily, how much is the delivery fee?
David, can I pay with the card?
Lily, when will my order arrive?
David, I want to return this item.
Lily, I want a refund, please.
David, the item is damaged.
Lily, my order is late.
Lily,
Now listen to some common problems. My item is damaged. The size is wrong. This is not what I ordered. My delivery is late. I want to cancel my order. I need help with my order. The color is different. I cannot find my order number. The website is not working. I want to change my address.
David and Lily give examples for each. Then, David, repeat after me. My item is damaged. The size is wrong. This is not what I ordered. My delivery is late. I want to cancel my order. I need help with my order. The color is different. I cannot find my order number. The website is not working. I want to change my address.
Lily, now let's do a mini role play.
David, what are you looking for? Pause. Great. Lily, what size do you need? Pause. Very good. David, say, this is not what I ordered. Pause. Nice work. Lily, say, when will my order arrive? Pause. Excellent. David, here are some helpful tips. Check the size chart. Read reviews. Check delivery time. Keep your order number. Look for free delivery. Compare prices. Use safe websites.
Lily, let's review vocabulary. Online store, search bar, add to cart, checkout, payment, delivery, address, order number, customer service, return, refund.
David, and phrases. I am looking for. Do you have this in another size? How much is the delivery fee? When will my order arrive? I want to return this item. My order is late.
You learned a lot today.
David, thank you for joining us today. We hope this episode helps you shop in English with more confidence.
You did amazing. Even small practice helps you improve.
David, before we go, we have a question for you. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Lily, tell us in the comments. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the podcast.
Take care and keep learning English. Goodbye.
Goodbye.